Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Arena of Valor error code 179999-2006. The error reads, "Operation failed. Please try again." As per our research, the error comes when users try to log into the game. Normally the game auto-logs in, but in this case, users are taken to the login screen and shown this error instead. According to our research, the error is most likely caused by network-related issues, outdated game versions, or app glitches that prevent proper login. The first thing we suggest is to restart your internet. Once restarted, try launching the game and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, try connecting over a different Wi-Fi network or mobile data. Then log in again and see if the error still comes. If the error still persists, check if you need to update the game. If there's a new version available, update the game and check if this helps with the error. At last, if the error still doesn't resolve, try deleting the app and reinstalling it. Once reinstalled, open the game and check if this resolves the error. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.